Hello everyone, my name is Pritha Dubey and I'm a success coach and the creator of Success Vitamin. Today I wish to speak with all of you on how to make this lockdown an opportunity to improve our career. Now, many of us are already in a work from home scenario. Many of us could be thinking of switching jobs or careers, and a few of us could have already done that just before the lockdown. Whatever be the case, currently we are all in a lockdown. And there are a few things during this lockdown while we are in isolation that we can do so that we are able to boost our career growth. Point number one, get very active on LinkedIn. Use this time to update your LinkedIn profile. Everyone goes to the LinkedIn and they look at you. So for example, if your CV says that you're very passionate about this particular job, then a recruiter or a future employer may want to see on your LinkedIn profile that are you a member of certain groups, certain pages or certain professional bodies related to that particular career. So try and be members of such bodies, follow certain pages, be members of certain pages, and also be very active on these pages where you are commenting, you are sharing blogs, you are also sharing a lot of resources related to your subject matter. Try and acquire a lot of recommendations from your ex-employers, ex-colleagues, from clients. These add to your profile and make them very strong. And also highlight most of your achievements on LinkedIn. So this would be a good time right now for all those who were probably not getting a lot of time to update the LinkedIn and were thinking that, yeah, I have to update my LinkedIn. This is a good opportunity. Use this time to update your LinkedIn. Second aspect that we could do is network. This is again a good opportunity for all of us to network with people whom we know, and also with people who we want to know, alumni or some influencers. This would be a good time to start connecting with people through LinkedIn, through any other mode or medium that you think is best to reach out to them. Use that particular medium and reach out and start networking. The more, I don't have to emphasize the importance of networking to all of you. Also, during this lockdown, be very constructive. So many of us who are already working from home, use this opportunity to create some new templates, some presentation material for your work. And also even if we are doing certain work at home, I'm not saying work from home, the work at home, for the home, whatever we are doing, create structures for those work also. This will give us and keep us in the habit of planning and structuring ourselves. This is also a very good opportunity for all of us to add or update new qualifications. Many of us could already or since long probably been thinking that, oh, I have to do that particular course or I need to add this qualification. This is a good time. Most of the educational institutes have gone online and they are offering online courses now. Around the same time, keep learning to remain marketable. There are so many webinars that are being run nowadays. There are so many online courses getting available, paid and free. Find that course, add those skills that you knew that you are missing and you were not finding the time to upgrade yourself on those skills. You probably knew about a gap in certain knowledge aspect and you were wanting to acquire that knowledge and make yourself a little more powerful on the subject. This is again an opportunity. Attend those courses, keep learning, gather all that knowledge, acquire all that skill that is required for you to excel at your job. So while you are working, while you are keeping busy, also take out some time to update yourself, to upgrade yourself. Stay at home and stay safe.